taking a video of it. Where is it? Where did it go? Oh, there it is. I'm losing track where it is. This will be an awesome video. Evelyn likes this. Whoa! Aiden, don't scare me.
It's a race.
But don't scare me like that, okay?
Uh-oh. I lost it.
There it is. I'm having a video of it.
Good job.
So you can know where it went. Wasn't that a good idea to have a video so you can know where it went? Ah! You almost shoot it at me.
I did not.
It was so close to me. Ah! It's going all over the place. Ah!
Sorry, you're doing not for fine.
This is an awesome.
No, too much.
I'm still having a video of it. It's alive. This is awesome video. When are you going to be done with it? Ah, I lost track where it was. There it is. There it is. Whoa.
Are you done with that video?
No, not yet. Ah.
Too close.
Check out
Wait,
this.
no, stay back, stay back. Wait, did it lose a propeller?
Yeah,
It did.
it's right
Okay.
there.
Stay back, baby. Thank you.
Let's see. Let's give it some air.
No, don't touch, baby.
It's still alive. Let's give it some backup.
Okay.
It's alive.
Ready?
Back up, everyone. Back up.
Don't get hurt from the propeller. Here it goes. Flying to its own home.
Dad, remember when you patched it in so it couldn't fall?
What
You forgot?
is the blinking bad or good?
This means it's almost out of batteries.
What does the blinking mean then?
It means it's almost out of batteries.
Uh,
It's time to recharge.